when you're too lazy to shut off the lights. Hell yeah.
They bought a new robot vacuum cleaner. The one who lurks in the shadows.
Junior, can you just stop bringing them into my... They're not your friend. Can you stop bringing them into my yard, dude?
Yo, could you put this bag over there, bro? Thank you.
Yeah, I got you, bro. Yeah.
Airing out her undercarriage.
This is my deeply unfortunate orange cat, Dave, and this is the ceiling fan with which he has apparently just fallen in love.
He made a custom seat for his cat.